Hello everyone, myself Antari from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with page number 59, Morphology of Flowering Plants, Chapter 5, Ncert Biology, Class 11. Now coming to the regions of the root, the very first important MCQ can be apex by a thimble-like structure called root cap. Apex is covered by thimble-like structure is called as root cap. So they might ask you by which structure apex is covered. So you have to answer root cap. Again, coming to this image, this question have been asked multiple times in different examinations about they will give you MCQ and leave the space blank and you have to fill it. Like they will ask you what is this area or which one is this area, and you have to mark the correct answer, and you have to mark like a region of maturation, region of elongation, and region of meristematic activity, and here is root cap. So you have to mark this question, these answers, and this is a very important image based question which they might ask, and they have asked many times. Now next important question can be from the region of meristematic activity, and for your board examination also this question is important, and the function of the apex is also important for your board examination. Now in the region of elongation, rapid elongation and enlargement are responsible for the growth of root in length. So region of elongation helps in root growth of the root in length. You have to remember this word, root in length. They might ask you about the root in width or something like that, and you have to mark root in length. And coming to the region of maturation, in the proximal region of elongation is maturation, and from this the structure of root hairs arises. So you have to mark this like root hairs arises from the region of maturation. You have to be very clear about this. Now coming to the stem, the very important MCQ can be from it develops from the plumule of the embryo, the germinating seed. So stem develops from the plumule of the embryo of a germinating seed. You have to remember that. And stem consists of nodes, internodes. You have to remember this for your board examination, as well as stem is generally green when young and woody and dark brown. Now function of the stem can be asked in your board examination, so you have to be very clear about that. You have to remember the one more important thing about the photosynthesis. It conducts photosynthesis in some plants, so you should not miss this point. Now coming to the leaf, the position and definition of leaf is very important, because they have asked this multiple times, and it's a silly question and you should not miss it. Now leaf is lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem. So you have to be very clear about this statement. Very first sentence of leaf, the leaf is lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem. Now coming to the leaves origination of the leaf is a shoot apical meristem. You have to mark this shoot apical meristem from which leaves originate, and it arranged in acropetal order in shoot apical meristem and leaves originate. So you have to be very clear. Thank you.